No. It's from Grandma.
Grandma Hunter. It's from Grandma Brennan.
And Grandma Hunter, Grandma Brendan.
No, just Grandma Hunter. One name. You can't name them different names. Money on there. Brendan, you guys have to cover your eyes. Cover them right now. No. Yes.
What's it gonna be?
Your eyes.
Okay, we gotta close our eyes, Bren. Ready? What's Hunter get?
Cover your eyes still.
What'd you get?
Money, $10.
Wow! $10.
And some stickers.
Is $10 a lot of money?
Yeah. Want to see my money?
How much money do you have already?
I have two monies. Sandra, I have 2 monies. Let me see.
You have 2 monies? Do you want me to read you the card, Hunter?
Sure.
Ooh, look at that. Hi, grandson. What's he get? It's a sparkly. And it says, hope your Halloween is great, just like you. Have fun.
I'll show Hunter my monies.
Okay. Happy Halloween, Hunter. Love, Siobhan, Emmett, and Grandma. Can you say thank you?
Thank you, Grandma Hunter. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, brother.
Brother? Brother? Who's brother?
Your brother.
My brother?
Brendan, that's mine. No, I don't show my...
Your money's not in there anymore, Brendan. We'll get yours down.
No, it's here's my money right there.
That's Hunter's money. Yours is up in your other thing.
Of my thing?
Yeah.
That's mine.
Brendan, we'll get yours down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, not
Wait, I'll get it down there.
I even.
You're even. I put it way up there.
Yeah. Where is it?
Where is it? And we put the Grandma Hunter stickers on it?
Right up here.
Yeah, Brendan did it. Can you see it?
Where?
Brendan, where's the box? Where's Brendan's money box?
Where is it?
Where is it? Brendan, put your hand up. No, don't be digging through the things. Up, over. You're touching it. Brendan's right there. Look up. It's right there in front of you.
This one.
Yeah, that's it.
Where is it?
Brendan, you're touching
Right
it.
here.
Yeah.
You want to see it? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I do. Do you hold this? Do you want me to help you? Yeah, it's my money bank. Don't touch my money. I will open it. I'm strong.
Do you like all the stickers we put on it under?
Yeah, I love it.
Need
It
help?
doesn't mean I don't like it. It means that I love it. Thanks.
Yeah, thanks, except Mommy can't get it open either. There it goes.
Go there, go there.
You see the spider? Look at this one. Jack and Jake.
Here's my money. Wait, let me see how many dollars it is. 10. And then where's number 2? Oh, there's number 2. You got 2 money. And let me see my other money. I want to show my brother. I want to show my brother my other money. Ow!
Excuse you. Move your head.
Mommy, can I show my brother my other money?
Like, you can just put that money in the other money.
I just left my room. Not funny.
Don't put money in your mouth, baby.
No.
Now we gotta count all the money, huh?
Yep.
Good counting practice. How much is that one, Bren?
2.
That's 10. See the big 10 on it?
Mommy, can you help me put it?
Hold it tight.
I want to see my other money.
How much do they total? One is 10, and one is... What's 10 plus 5?
I don't know.
Look, ready? 10. Look. 10.
1,
11.
12, 13, 14, 15. 10 plus 5 is 15.
Look at you, Smarty Pants. Smarty Pants dance. Smarty Pants dance. Say thank you, Grandma Hunter.
Thank you, Grandma Hunter and brother and Antoine.
See you later.